In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for white auto rotate shortcut or gray portrait or landscape one. It depends of your current device orientation. As you can see, auto rotation is over here. So when I click, it's gray and it says portrait. That means that auto rotate feature is off, so to turn it on, click on the same shortcut, now with a padlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!